Nature is my best friend, my keeper and protector, my teacher, my guardian. Nature gives advice, you just gotta listen. Nature is a mirror of hope and revolution. Listen to your cat, listen how he says things. Watch over your dog, might be trying to tell you that nature is her only friend. Do, 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 do. Loyal and understanding, like a bird over the sky, invite me to fly with them. Singing seems to be the only desire that stays throughout the years. Floods and misery. Whistling a tune, trying to be grateful each and every day. Starts with some adventure, you don't have to travel that far to listen to the birds sing. But if you can buy an airplane, might be fueled by the speed of sound. You don't have to travel that far to listen to the birds sing.